Hi guys, I'm Vishnupriya and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, recently I have been so much obsessed with these. Yeah, I have been so much obsessed with these and I have seen them all over Instagram and Pinterest nowadays. But I want them so badly, but at the same time I don't want to pay this much for them. So let's make them at home and let's do a DIY. Come on. So guys, this is such an easy method that any one of you can do. Just have some patience. So firstly, blow off some balloon and keep it in the shape of a circle or a perfect round so that it would be easier for you. Then you need some tissue paper, then mix the glue. Fevicol or anything is fine. Mix the glue with water and then take some tissue paper and tear them into pieces and then start sticking those paper with that glue and water solution over your balloon. And I would recommend to use like a bigger brush that would be easier for you. I don't know why I used this one, but it's okay. So cover the balloon 3 times over and over again so that it forms like a solid layer, and then let it dry for 24 hours because I didn't had the patience, and within like 3 hours I just popped the balloon and you'll see what happened. So wait for 24 hours and let it dry, and don't cover the part where the balloon is knotted because from there we will be popping it off. I popped it earlier and as you can see this happened, but it's okay, we are going to fix that off. Now moving on to the stand. For the stand, take a cardboard and draw some lines and then cut them off into the strips like structures, and then apply some glue and start folding them off. Once you fold them, you will be left out with the structures like this. Then we have to join them together so that they can form an L. Now we have made 3 L's from that. You can use Fevicol, but I didn't have the patience, so I used the tape instead. And then start by joining these things together. It seems a little complicated, but trust me, it's not. Once you get the 3 L's together, you will yourself understand what you have to do. And then join 3 of them together so that we can get that Pinteresty stand or the Pinterest stand. Now as you can see the moon, I tried to fix it a bit but it didn't work out. So again I took a new balloon and then I blowed it in and then I left it for 2-3 hours again so that I can get a little bit of its shape, and it somewhat worked out, but I'm fine with the structure because I think it's more like natural looking. So then we have to take some lights, any lights is fine. I had these fairy lights, these have all the colors. So just start by rolling it around your hands. And then once you are done rolling, take it out and twist it once. Now let's just check out if it actually works or not. And it did. It looks amazing actually. Let me off the lights. See, this looks super cool, but again I wanted yellow colored moon. I don't wanted a white one. So this is completely optional, and this is something which I tried and it worked out so good. I used an yellow colored balloon and then I blowed it in so that it looks like an yellow colored moon, and it actually worked so well for me. And I did this because I didn't had yellow colored lights. If you have yellow colored lights instead, you can use them. Now let's cover the whole of the moon. So for that, take in cardboard and then trace a circle. You can use anything. from which you can trace a circle and then cut it off. Now make a cut in this circle. Take the fairy lights and then add it somewhat like this. And then place your lights inside and glue it as it is. But as I said that I'm gonna use a yellow balloon instead because I want the moon to be yellow. Just I blowed a balloon and then I tied a knot. So I just pulled the knot of the balloon and added it with the fairy lights where I had them. I'm so bad at explaining. I'm sorry. Okay, so now I just took some scissors and I chopped off the extra that I had so that it looks more neat. So now our moon is ready. Let's just off the lights. Oh my god, this actually looked so great. We just placed the stand over there and I just let it hanging on that side so that it's not visible like the switch. This is how it looks. Now let's just on, ready, set, go. This looks so amazing. Like, this actually looks amazing. You should definitely give it a try if you want to try. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. And let's just roll a quick montage of what I have done here.